Hello guys, kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, mag-subscribe na kayo. Now, ngayon guys, maglalaro tayo ng Minecraft 1 block. Tingnan nyo guys mamaya. At ito na guys ang ating 1 block. Now, maglaro na tayo. Now, nandito na tayo guys sa 1 block. Let's go! Now, let's play some block. Let's grab this rope, okay? Push. Yeah, boy. Naglalaro tayo ngayon ng 1 block. Maganda to. Sa ngayon magdidig muna tayo. A chest. Ano laman nito? A bread, yes. Angas. Angas na ma-enchanted box dito guys. Place muna natin itong block dito. And wala na pala akong blocks. Main muna natin ito. Please give me some mood. Bigyan mo ko ng kahoy. Ano yun? Bigyan mo ko ng kahoy. Yes! I have a branch tree. No, that's A1. Yes, 2. Now let's grab this dirt. Let's play this in here and here and here to make our island bigger. This is my first video, and my second video I will build some zombie farm. Let's go. Let's turn into a planks, the crafting table, presto, and stick. Yes, baby. Got a shovel. First shovel. Now let's mine this. What I do? Wait, nice. And this log. Let's break this log. And let's continue to breaking things. Yes. I have a clay. Yes, pumpkin and a watermelon. Laro tayo. Yes, a sheep. Full sheep. Ito na guys, meron na tayong alagang tupa. Yay, meron na kaming alagang tupa. Now, sa ngayon papalawakin muna natin itong island para walang mahulog na mga animal. No, don't fall. You want this? No, let's break this. A wood. Another ship. Yes. No, don't fall into the cliff. Okay, mahuhulog dyan ha. Okay, mahuhulog. There we go. Okay, mahuhulog. Go. Huwag mahulog, huwag mahulog. Yes, wait. Look at the ship. Hinahalikan ako ng ship, oh. Ang ship naman ng ship. Hinahalikan ako guys ng ship. Uy, umalis ka dyan. Oh, nice. I have a branch tree. No, don't fall that. Alisin natin to sa ikalawa nating video guys. Masyadong pangit itong gagawin ko. Para hindi lang mahulog yung sheep. No, don't fall. Don't fall. Huwag ka mahulog ha. Yes, no. No. Yes. Huwag kayo mahulog guys. Please, huwag kayo sana mahulog. Axe and shovel. Don't fall into the cliff. Huwag kayo mahulog ha. Nay, it's a bone. May buto na pala dito eh. Okay, mamay na natin yung buto guys. Tingnan nyo guys itong armor stand natin nyo in this chest. Lalagay natin itong mga ano natin, variable packs. Sa ngayon magmamines muna tayo guys. Oh, no. Ikaw, don't push the ship. Ayun, magmamines muna tayo. Yeah boy. Get out of the cow. Umalis ka dyan. Baka patayin pa kita eh pag ako nainis sa'yo. Ops. Huwag kayo mahuhulog. Wait nga. 1, 2, 3. Gagawan ko kayo ng kulungan. Yes. No. Yes, I get the one ship, yo, and you too. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Get onto the hole. Don't fall into the cliff. Feed this and feed that. Yes. Now, for today's video, magmamine ko na tayo ng mines. Wala pa tayong upgrade guys. Tagal pa to bago mag-upgrade. Bigyan mo ng spelling. Yo, oh no. Cow, I'm here, cow. Hey, cow. Let's feed the cow. And let's feed another one. Paparami tayo guys ng alaga. Oh. Aabot tayo guys ng 100. Oh, yes, a chest. Yes. Now guys, binigyan tayo ng tubig and then mga spallings. I-place muna natin tong tubig para pag nahulog kita dito natin guys. Yes. Guys, 20%. There we go. And ipaplant natin tong spalling natin guys. Ito bone meal natin. Ito guys, oh meron na mga spalling. Please no. Yes, tumubo na guys yung isa. Oh no, get on the water. No, nahulog tayo guys. No, bakit tayo dito nag-spawn? Alis muna tayo dito. Uy, shit. Hindi to muna natin tatapusin itong video. Sa susunod ng video talubat na itong cellphone ko guys. Gagawa tayo dito ng mob farm. Papalawakan natin itong island. Goodbye guys.